Sudhindra Kulkarni, former chairman of Mumbai-based think tank Observer Research Foundation, has said that as a very important multilateral forum in the world, the BRICS should become a force for stability, for peace, and for common development of humankind.
BRICS has now emerged as a very important multilateral forum in the world. BRICS should become a force for stability, for peace, and for common development of humankind. The most important area for BRICS to expand its cooperation is in creating a consensus on major political issues confronting the world. BRICS represent nearly 40% of the global population, and therefore BRICS should have a strong say in the new world order and in new global governance order. The new global governance order should be democratic, it should be inclusive, it should care for all, big countries as well as small countries. The second area of cooperation is economic cooperation. The global economy is slowing down. Therefore, there is an urgent need for all the countries in the world to cooperate even more to bring new momentum to the global economy. And BRICS should show the way. BRICS Plus is a concept whose time has come. In these years, we have seen many more countries in different continents which have become emerging markets and rapidly rising countries. And therefore, the time has come to expand the BRICS platform by making it BRICS Plus. This will make BRICS more democratic, more representative, but it will also add to the voice of BRICS in global forums. BRICS in the 21st century should become the leader of the changing world order and create a new political agenda which appeals to the majority of the countries in the world.